The fourth hole comes back in the opposite direction to the third and so slopes from right to left, requiring a tee shot up the right side of the fairway. A good target is the small golden cypress tree just before the ridge, which indicates 150 metres to the centre of the green, and these are found on each hole. A well-struck driver will probably run out of room, so a 3-wood or a long iron should get you to the ridge or just over it, and then it's a fairly short iron into a 2-tiered green perched above the lake. A shot missed to the right of the green will probably kick left and onto the green, but a miss to the left will run down and into the hazard.